Hey guys, Patricia Zars here, your Texas Pool Concierge. Now if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're not new, welcome back. Here on Pool Talk with Trish, we talk all about swimming pools, and we specifically focus on fiberglass pools. And being that there are several different types of pools out there to choose from, people often wonder what type of pool is the sturdiest type of pool or the strongest type of pool. So today on Pool Talk with Trish, we're going to talk about what the strongest type of pool is. So let's dive in. Okay, so when it comes down to it, you've got above ground pools and you've got in-ground pools. Typically your above ground pools are not really meant to be permanent. They're definitely more of a temporary solution to getting you swimming in your backyard. When looking at options for a long-lasting permanent pool, you'd want to be looking at in-ground pool options. And with your in-ground pool options, you have vinyl liner pools, which we really don't see a whole lot of down here in South and Central Texas. And then you have concrete or gunite pools, and you have, of course, fiberglass pools. Your concrete gunite pools is kind of what you would consider your traditional pool, if you will. They've been around for the longest, and they pretty much consist of a steel structure that has concrete formed over it and then plaster on top of that concrete. And your fiberglass pools, which haven't been around quite as long as your concrete pools, but are increasing tremendously in popularity due to all of the benefits of fiberglass pools, such as a slightly lower cost of installation, a much faster installation, much lower overall cost of ownership, and definitely a ton less maintenance. And at first you may think that the concrete may provide the stronger pool structure. However, due to the fact that the fiberglass is built to not only be very strong, but to also have flexibility, the fiberglass pools tend to be the stronger option. If you think about it, there's not really much you can do to get concrete to be flexible. So if the ground shifts, the concrete's inability to shift with the ground is what often leads to cracks in the concrete pool. Your fiberglass pools are extremely strong, but they've also got the ability to flex up to 2 feet without sustaining any damage to the structure of the shell. Basically, they can safely withstand much more external pressure than a concrete pool can. So while they're both great pools, you do definitely get a lot of added benefits with your fiberglass pools, all of those that we just mentioned, plus you're getting the strongest type of pool that there is. And when it comes down to it, you want to be able to enjoy your pool. You want to spend less time maintaining it and hopefully very little time repairing or fixing it. And this is what the fiberglass pools provide. An incredible swimming experience and peace of mind knowing that your pool is going to last for years and years. I hope that you found this information valuable. If you did, like it, share it out. I'd love to see your comments as always. And if you have any questions, you can always reach out, 210-834-7054. I'm always here to answer any and all of your pool questions. And if you're on my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and you hit that little bell icon so that you get notified of any new future content. I can't wait to talk to you soon, and I can't wait to help you get swimming.